Hi everyone, this video mainly explains steps to use non-scientific TrueX handheld XRF analyzer in precious metal application in detail. First step, first open the instrument box and check what's in the instrument case. 1 non-scientific TrueX handheld analyzer in precious metal application. 2 batteries for the instrument. 1 battery charger. 1 USB data cable. 1 adapter. 1 power cord, 1 piece of 316 standard sample, 1 piece of vest strap with non-scientific logo, 1 box of memory member, product warranty card, user manual, and other accessories. The second step, we take out the instrument, insert a battery at the bottom, and snap the battery cover. Then we could start to test samples. Testing samples in 4 steps. The first step, turn on the instrument. Press the power switch for 3 seconds to turn on the machine. The indicator light will be green at this time. The instrument system is turned on, waiting for the software data to load. After the loading is complete, it will enter the radiation warning interface. At this time, click OK to enter the login interface. The default password is 1234. After entering the correct password, the test menu will appear. Step 2. Self-test. Please click the check option into self-test interface. Before starting the self-test, please align the test window with the standard calibration sample. Then click OK to start self-test. Then wait for a while. The instrument will display self-test successful. When self-test is finished, the high voltage radiation signal lights will be off. If unsuccessful, please contact us in time to maintain the instrument. Step 3. Testing sample. Cover the sample in front of test window and enter the test interface. At this time, click the camera button to see the real-time pictures of the sample, which can help the small size sample align with the test window. Then push the trigger to keep the state until test is over. Note: during the test, ensure that the test window is close to the sample to be tested. Do not point the device at others to avoid radiation damage to people. During the test, the radiation light flash, and the content, carat, and value of each element in the sample will be automatically displayed on the screen. Step 4. Completing the test. After the test, the instrument will automatically save the test date according to the date sequence number. Step 5. Print the test report. Return to the data interface. Click on the historical date and classify the measured data by year and month. If you need to export, you can choose the date format you need to export. Connect the USB data cable to the PC to transform date, or connect the printer to print out directly. Let's learn about its other software functions. Test condition. Used to set test time, repeatable, multi-point every test. Label input. When testing multiple samples, the samples can be marked by modifying the test label to avoid confusion of results. Customer display. Set the display information of the test interface, including specifying the display order of elements, opening or closing. After understanding the above software functions, our sharing today will be over. Finally, we turn off the instrument. In the setting interface, click Return button and a dialog box will pop up. Just click the OK button. After exiting and turning off the instrument, you need to take out the battery and put it in the suitcase for safekeeping.